You kind of make your tail where you want it. Like if you want a long tail, you make a long tail. If you want a short tail, you make a short tail. Okay, so then you make a loop and you scrunch it up, okay? Like that. And then you make another loop, okay? Like going down. Make it go down. And then you make another loop, okay? And just keep making loops after loop. And it depends on what size bow you want. You can make your loops bigger or you can make them smaller, okay? And then you make more. Okay. Working with the wire ribbon's a lot easier than working with other ribbon, okay? You just make a loop after loop. Your hands get in the way, but that's okay. I'm kind of doing it backwards here so you can see. You put your wire there, okay? This is kind of like a fast making bow. Make sure you get scissors that are sharp.
Yeah, those aren't that good.
And then you get your wire. And you want to make sure that it's long enough to go around the reef if you're going to put it on a reef, okay? So, you stick it there. Tie it in the back, like this, okay? And then this is where I cut that tail too short, but that's okay. And see how this is stuck in there? You just pull it out, okay? And you make the bow do what you want it to do, okay? So then you take it. This ribbon's not that good to work with, but you take it and you make it a bow, okay? You make it look like a bow, right? Okay. See how it looks like a bow? Okay. It can be a short bow. So let me give you a tip on this, okay? So you can either fold this like this, okay? And these scissors aren't that sharp, but we'll see. And you cut angly, cut it at an angle, okay? And you got neither that, or you can cut it at an angle and you'll have that, okay? So it's basically what you want, how you want it, okay? So, we'll do this one. Make sure you have sharp scissors and not like me. Okay, and see, you can do it that way too, okay? So there's your bow. And if you want it bigger, you make more loops, okay? Just keep looping and looping and looping, okay? And I know that it looks like it's hard, but it's really not. Once you get the hang of it, and just make sure that this is long enough to go around whatever you want it for, okay? All right.